Hi friends, I am Pradeep Joshi, Insurance Advisor of LIC of India from Goa, Mapsa. It's my indeed pleasure to speak about Honorable CM Shri Pramod Sawant. Friends, I met him a long back with Shri Manohar Parrikar. I remember we had gone to pick up the guest. At the time he was MLA, and we were at Dabolim Airport. Abhijat Parrikar's wedding was there, and I was given a responsibility to pick up Raju Pratap Rudi and Anant Kumar from Bangalore, and I met there Pramod Sawant sir. Really, he was a very jewel person. He was knowing me through Parrikar. So he was speaking to me and he became my friend. And I was fortunate at that time. I didn't know that future chief minister is sitting in my car. So we came to the venue. And while again going back, then I was alone with them. But from that day, he shared me his number. And from that day as on today, whenever I call him, I don't call for too many work or for somebody's work, but whenever I call him with a good gesture, he always replies my call and we are having a good friendship. It's a proud moment that a young and dynamic BJP leader is leading the state. And he's always smiling and very down to the earth. So on his birthday, माय सिन्सियर विशीस हॅपी बर्थडे दोतोरबाब. तुमकां बरें आरोग्य आयुश्य मेळचें आनी तुमची अशीच भरभराट जावची आनी तुमच्या सहवासान गोंयचो उद्धार जावचो आनी म्हापशेचोय उद्धार जावचो.